what we have here is a Toyota Camry trailer hitch. This is made by Hitch. It's designed to tow 3,500 pounds. I believe it's a Class 1 or Class 2. Don't know that right off the top of my head. But we're going to be installing it in the back of this Toyota Camry. So to do that, you have to get rid of this toe point, and you have to get rid of this toe point, which has already been bent, so that's perfect. Be able to get that gun in there. No problem. So it bolts here. It bolts here. And then I got to drill 2 new holes over here somewhere. So we're just going to do some quick measurements and be able to drill the holes. I might just kind of toss it up there. But the second hole has this fancy bolt, so you have to drill the holes and feed this through. I'm not sure if I can feed it through while the hitch is on there or not. I'm probably going to try. I don't think this is really going to be that difficult. For anybody that wants to install a hidden hitch on your own cars at your own house, I think this is going to be a very easy install. You're going to need a drill and probably a 1/2 inch or 5/8 bit. I'm probably just going to use a step bit because I roll like that. And hoist definitely makes it a lot easier. The hoist definitely makes it a lot easier, but I've done a lot of hitches on the ground, and it's not hard. It just get a little bit more shavings on you, and that's about it. So the first thing we're going to do is pull out these bolts. We're going to throw the hitch up and bolt it on using those 4 bolts on either side, and then we can get a marker and mark out those 2 bolts right there. So let's get going at this, and I'll get right back to you guys. So we got the trailer hitch installed. I was able to drill these bolts right in place, which was pretty nice. This one over here gave me a little bit of trouble. I think it's because of how much it was pulled off sideways. One of the bolts, still kind of warm. It was in there pretty good, so it actually stripped. So I had to heat it up and then pound a 13 mil onto it. So that's why you guys seen the torch. But if this was a non-rusty car, that would have just gone together like no tomorrow. But yeah, the Class 1 hitch is on there. It says right here on the sticker that it's rated for 3,500 pounds. I don't know if I'd really put 3,500 on that, but it says it's rated for it. Pretty simple. Overall, I would give it maybe a 2 out of 5. The hoist did make it a bit easier, but realistically, I put that up there by myself. If you had it on the ground, you could have used a jack to help put it up. So, tomato, tomato, a little bit easier here, a little bit harder there, right? But I don't think it was that hard to do. And I think that anybody should and could be able to do this at their house. So, yeah, installed. Just have to go get a 1x1 little receiver. I don't know what I'm going to tow with it yet, but it's always nice to have a trailer hitch on a car, especially when it doesn't cost you anything. So thanks for watching. We'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop.